คนนี่แหมคือคักแค่นั้นคนนี่แหมลินจีบวุ่นวายใช่ปะ
I'm like chance though.
What?
Sure, why then? Who do you think is good? Who do you think is good?
It's gambler. Being a gambler. Bad.
Boom, backstab. Oh, Norman stab. I think that's Norman stab.
It'll feel like it is a backstabber.
Yeah, no. Yeah. I saw it.
นอนกินข้าวอิ่มแล้วก็นอน
It looked like backstab though.
It looks in my ass.
Yeah, go for real. Always blaming it on the people. Oh, that's it. Maybe I'm not good.
Oh, no, actually, it might be it.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I don't know. They don't die.
Oh, everyone's dying.
ลูกก็เสียงดังแล้วคุณลูกก็ได้สิเบิ่งละคร
Basically, like,
Oh, yeah, no, I'm using chance. Oh, no. So when I use new time, we use two time, right? Okay, when I use this, I think goofy things that I use that. Okay, and then, right? And then it's like, you know. And then, right? I use two time. You know,
Oh.
I use two time. Oh, someone in Jasper. And then I said, yeah, I'm gonna get like the thorn skin, by the way. It's like, do you know who also gets the thorn skin?
โอ้ยอิ่มแล้วก็ง่วง
I said I was gonna get it.
he's literally targeting me. Wait.
Yeah, you know who else gets it?
What? What? Hitboxes! I literally see that hitboxes. It was
What you
not even clear.
What you mean?
Oh my god. Right to chat for it. Right chat for it.
โอ้ยว่ายังบ่เนี่ย
What chance? What chance?
จังสั่นเลย
What chance?
อย่างน้ออย่างน้อลูกข่อยน้อ
Boom! For chance. Guess who does for chance? Guess who? Me, yeah. Gotta be getting chance. Love my boy chance.
What the team? Teaming.
I got chance.
I don't know.
I'm literally just trying every single character and see who I like.
It just are real fast.
No, I'm not buying Jessica or Tough or Builder, man. They just
Why
suck.
not?
They just
Did I
suck.
don't have them? Did I don't have them?
No, I just know they suck. They know my playstyle. I know what that playstyle is. So yeah.
What is it?
So this is basically just a supporter. Builderman's also a supporter. And Tough, boom, boom, boom.
Oh, I don't think what's your style.
I don't know.
What's your style?
Basically just running away. Maybe you have like one ability
You're a
that,
survivalist.
yeah. Just trying
You
it.
can't build or manhunt.
Builderman's literally a supporter, bro.
He's not support.
He is. What are we yabbing about? Yabby.
How is he survival?
Yeah, exactly. How, bro? You tell me, bro.
No, I said how is he a survivalist?
What do you mean?
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you. First of all, he's not. Wait, no. No, he's